Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create visual and infographics using Napkin AI. It's a free tool, it's an amazing, you can see the kind of infographic it's creating. Let me show you some example. Look at this. So these are the kind of results you will be getting by the end of this video. So to get started, just click on Get Napkin Free for free. And then you'll be directed to this page. Make sure to sign up with your email. So I want to create the content by adding the text. You can also use AI. So I'll just paste my content here. So this is one of my websites, and this is an article I wrote. So I want to copy the content of that paragraph, that subheading, and paste it here. Click on the blue icon and then it will automatically go through the content and generate infographic for you. So these are beautiful infographics. Just use your keyboard to go up and down. So I think I like this one. Just click on the style, that arrow, it will take you here. So you have different variations of the same style. Click the arrow to go back. So I'll choose that one. So click on it and then I'll click that style. So now this is the infographic I have. There are so many things you can do here. So I'll click on the download button. You can choose either to have a light background, the light mode, or the dark one. I'll show you to change the background color later. So make sure the background is on and then scale it to 2x or 3x for better results. To have a better result, 2x and 3x. I'll have a larger image size and then click to download. So that's the first one. I'll go back. I have this other section here under nightmare frequency. It's a case study, so I want to go back there. You can choose to create a new napkin, but for now let me just reuse this. Let me delete the content here. So I'll paste and then click on that button. It analyzes the content to come up with infographics. So you have these results. I can use your mouse to go up and down. There are so many of them. So I think I like this one. Let me choose this one. I have different variation. I'll choose this variation. No, this one here, the colorful one. Now I want to download this one. Again, make sure your settings are good. Scale it to 2x or 3x for better results. And then I think I can create another one. Let me go down. I think I'll create dream content and themes. Copy those section, the content. Okay, instead of repeating, let me create a new napkin. Start blank project and then you can title it or just leave it. So I'll call this one dreams. And then click enter and then paste your content. Click the blue button to analyze the content and generate your infographics. So we have different results. You can see these are the results. Let me go through them. For now, let me choose this style. I think I like the second, that one is good. Let me choose the colorful one. That one. Okay. Then okay, okay, now it's visible. I can click download. Again, I want it to be dark mode. The background is on. 2x or 3x scaling. Okay, now I have 3 of them. Let me see if there's anything I can do about this. Okay, for the purpose of the images, I love renaming my images so that it can be easy to identify them later on. So I'll rename them based on their section. I'll copy that. I'll rename the visuals. Then I go back, the last section. This is the last section. I'll copy it, go back, then okay, rename that and save it. So now I'll go back to those sections and add an image block. I'm using condensed theme with the Gutenberg blocks, so I'm adding another block here, an image block, and then lastly I will add a block here, an image block here. I'll just upload directly, so begin with the last one. Okay, let's see how it looks like, and you can see it's beautiful. I'll show you how to change the background color by the end of the video, so let me upload first. That's beautiful. Let me go back again, upload this one, and we are done. It's as easy as that. Everything is okay. Okay, let me save the changes to update the page, and then we'll view to see what we really have. If you'll actually like it, I'll view it in a different page, and as you can see, the images, I scaled them to 2x, so that it's a good size, it fills the page. Very good. They make your content look amazing. So I'll go back. I want to show you something in. So this is another one I was working on. So there is that icon there. You can change the background color. You can choose whatever color palette. It's not a palette, it's just single color. Choose different color. Okay, blue, I think that's okay, I choose that color, and then now I can download. Make sure also you enable the background. So that's it. Thank you for watching.